Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, and 2.5-inch storage drive assembly. Removal. Use minimal force to lift the locking bar up on the fingerprint reader ZIF connector and disconnect the fingerprint reader ribbon cable from the fingerprint reader. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the fingerprint reader bracket to the top cover. Remove the fingerprint reader bracket from the retention tabs on the top cover and remove. Lift the fingerprint reader out of the cutout in the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the fingerprint reader.